What's up, guys? How are you? We are listing top 5 best metal detectors for 2025 in this video. We won't talk about prices here, but you can find links in the description for more info and deals. We update those links to show the best prices. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great videos. Let's get started. Number 5. SunPow Metal Detector. The SunPow ODMD14 metal detector is simple and fun to use. It helps you find metal objects like coins and gold. Both beginners and experts can enjoy using it. This tool makes treasure hunting easy and exciting. The large screen shows clear results. It has a bright light, so you can use it at night. The display is twice as big as many others. This helps you see your finds fast and easy. The handle feels good in your hands. It works well for both left and right-handed users. You can hold it for a long time without pain. It is made for comfort and control. This detector is strong and built to last. It has a spiral design that adds extra support. You can set it up quickly with its snap lock system. That means more time hunting and less time waiting. You can adjust its size from 19 to 59 inches. This makes it great for kids and adults. It also fits easily in bags and cars. You can take it with you anywhere. It finds metal up to 10 inches deep. It also has 5 search modes. These help you look for different things like coins, jewelry, and gold. The chip inside makes it more accurate. The 12-inch coil is waterproof. You can use it on beaches or wet grass. It works well in rain or shine. But keep the control box dry, as it is not waterproof. This detector is a great gift for anyone. Give it on birthdays or holidays. It's perfect for people who love the outdoors. SunPow also gives a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. The SunPow ODMD14 is smart, strong, and easy to use. It helps you find treasure in many places. Whether you're new or experienced, you'll enjoy using it. Start your adventure today with confidence. Number 4. RM Ricamax Metal Detector. The RM Ricamax Kids Metal Detector is a fun and safe tool made for children who love to explore. It is easy to use, lightweight, and perfect for kids ages 8 and up. With this detector, children can enjoy hunting for treasure while learning new things. The search coil is 7.4 inches wide and very sensitive. It can find metal objects like coins or toys under the ground. The coil and the stem are waterproof, so kids can use it at the beach, in the park, or even in wet grass. This makes it great for any kind of weather or season. The metal detector has an adjustable stem that goes from 24 to 35 inches. It fits both kids and adults. That means parents can join the fun too. It's light and easy to carry, so kids won't get tired holding it. When the detector finds metal, it beeps and shows a symbol on the LCD screen. The closer the metal is, the louder the beep and the stronger the signal. This helps kids know where to dig. The buttons are simple, so even young children can use it on their own. This metal detector is made just for kids. It's safe, made with strong but harmless plastic. The bright blue color and fun shape make it look friendly and cool. It also comes with 2 sand shovels and a bag for easy carrying. Using the RM Ricamax metal detector is a great way for kids to enjoy the outdoors. They can dig for treasure, explore nature, and use their curiosity in a fun way. It also gives families a good reason to spend time together outside. If you're looking for a gift that's fun, safe, and educational, this is a great choice. The RM Ricamax Kids Metal Detector is more than a toy. It's a tool for adventure. Number 3. Dr. Tech Metal Detector. The Dr. Tech Metal Detector is a great choice for adults who want to find hidden metal objects. It is made for both beginners and experienced users. This tool helps you find gold, silver, coins, and other metal items quickly and easily. It has 5 useful modes: all metal, discrimination, jewelry, memory, and pinpoint. The special memory mode lets you search for just one kind of metal, like gold or silver. This means you spend less time digging and more time finding what you really want. The screen on this detector is large and clear. It measures 3 inches by 2.2 inches and has a backlight, so you can see it even in the dark. It shows pictures and makes sounds to help you know what kind of metal you've found. You can also change the settings to match your needs. The search coil is 9.8 inches wide and very powerful. It can find a coin up to 10 inches deep. The coil is waterproof, so you can use it at the beach or in shallow water. Just be careful not to get the control box wet. You can change the height of the detector from 42.7 to 53.5 inches. This makes it comfortable for people of different heights, including older kids. There are 5 sensitivity levels, so you can make it stronger or weaker depending on where you are hunting. This metal detector comes with everything you need. It includes a headset, a strong digging shovel, and a carrying bag. It's great for trips, vacations, and outdoor fun. It also makes a great gift for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions like Father's Day. The Dr. Tech metal detector is smart, strong, and simple to use. With its big screen, powerful coil, and many features, it helps you find treasure faster and easier. Whether you are exploring your backyard or the beach, it's ready for your next adventure. Number 2. GBNRYG Professional Metal Detector. The GBNRYG Professional Metal Detector is made for adults who love treasure hunting. It is easy to use and works well on the beach, in parks, or even in shallow water. With high accuracy and smart features, it helps you find coins, jewelry, and gold faster. This detector has a large 12-inch waterproof coil. It can find a coin buried up to 12 inches deep. The coil is strong and covers more ground with each sweep, so you can search more in less time. The upgraded DSP chip makes it 40% more accurate and stable, even when you move fast. There are 5 search modes to help you find different types of metal. All metal finds any metal. Disk lets you ignore trash. Memory focuses on just one kind of metal. Jewelry helps you search for rings and necklaces. PP mode pinpoints the exact location of the metal, so you dig less and find more. This metal detector is simple to set up. It has a collapsible design and doesn't need screws. The backlit screen is large and easy to read, even in the dark. Soft buttons and a comfy armrest make it easy to use with one hand. It also saves your settings, so you don't have to start over every time. The full kit comes with everything you need. You get 2 free batteries, a big backpack, over-ear headphones, a strong digging tool, and a beginner-friendly guide. It's great for outdoor fun with family and friends. You can adjust the height from 27 to 56 inches, making it perfect for both kids and adults. The handle is also adjustable for comfort. There are 5 sensitivity levels and 3 volume settings, so you can search in many places without too many false signals. The search coil is waterproof with an IP68 rating. This means you can use it on wet sand and in shallow water. Just be sure to keep the control box dry, as it's not waterproof. The GBNRYG metal detector is also a great gift. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, Father's Day, or even retirement. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this detector makes every treasure hunt fun and rewarding. Number 1. Pankey Metal Detectors. The Pankey Metal Detector is a great tool for adults who want to start treasure hunting. It is easy to use, accurate, and perfect for beginners. Whether you are looking for coins, gold, or jewelry, this detector helps you find hidden treasures with ease. It has 5 search modes: all metal, discrimination, memory, jewelry, and pinpointer. These modes let you find the metal you want and avoid trash. The special memory mode helps you search for just one kind of metal, saving you time and effort. The Pankey detector uses an upgraded DSP chip. This chip makes it 25% faster and more accurate than many other detectors. It helps you find valuable items more quickly and ignore unwanted objects. This means you can focus on the good stuff and enjoy your hunt more. The large LCD screen is easy to read and has a backlight. This helps you use it in low light or at night. The screen shows the metal type, depth, mode, and sensitivity level. With soft silicone buttons, the controls are simple and feel nice to press. The search coil is waterproof, rated IP68. You can use it on wet sand or in shallow water. Just make sure the control box stays dry, as it is not waterproof. For best results in seawater, keep the sensitivity low to reduce signal noise. The detector is also designed for comfort. You can adjust the length from 47.3 to 55.2 inches, so it fits adults and older kids. It weighs only 2.4 pounds and has an anti-slip handle with an adjustable armrest. This makes it easy to carry and use for long periods. The full kit includes everything you need: a carry bag, a steel shovel, earphones, and 2 strong 9V batteries. It's perfect for camping trips, beach walks, or family vacations. The Pankey detector is not just a tool. It's a fun way to explore the outdoors and make exciting discoveries. Whether you're new to metal detecting or want a reliable device to enjoy the hobby, the Panky Metal Detector is a smart and fun choice.